Hey guys, I'm your German candy taster, and today I'm here at McDonald's, kind of thing, one of my favorite restaurants here in Germany. So I got here the McWrap kind of thing, which is quite nice. So the promise looks quite good, quite normal, pretty straightforward. And here, of course, the McWrap here. This is a, which one is it? Yeah, the chicken one. I think here, Italian chicken mozzarella. Quite nice with tomatoes and mozzarella kind of thing. And I'm really curious how it's going to taste. I hope I will find here the right side where it's open kind of thing. Okay, here it's open. So that is how it looks here, the whole menu. Looks pretty good here. So I will bite directly in the McWrap so you know how it tastes. Okay. Taste pretty basic actually. I thought there's more fat in it. Yeah. So some kind of cocktail sauce is it? And I'm missing here the mozzarella and the tomatoes, to be honest. Okay, so it could be more mozzarella. Here's a bit. I just ate a bit, but what is this here? Hey, I think my camera is broken. I don't know if you see it here, but it looks quite strange. So, no, I think that was, you didn't see it. Okay, guys. So, how do I rate it here? I mean, chicken, pretty good. Half a chicken, kind of thing. I give it probably 8 out of 10, guys. So let me know here, 10 promise. 10 out of 10 like always. Let me know how you rate it. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. Oh, here's a tomato. Can you see it? Yeah. Yeah. Tomato. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.